General sex differences in human skeleton. In male, general size large, more massive in male, smaller, less massive in females. Depression, muscular markings, process and ridges on bones more prominent in males, less prominent in females. Length, on an average, bones about 8% of longer, shorter in females. Shaft, rougher but smoother in females. Shaft. Medullary cavity shallower but relatively wider in medullary cavity in females. Carpals longer, broader in males, shorter and narrower in females. Bone mineral density is higher, especially in the forearm, lower in females. Weight of dry skeleton is 4.5 kg in male, 3 kg in females. Thank you.